Hello kids, let's learn some fun new words. The boy on the left is tall. The boy on the right is short. Tall and short. The right truck is small, the left truck is big. Small and big. The book to the left is thick, the book to the right is thin. Thick and thin. The boy in green shirt is going up, the boy in orange is going down. Up and down. The right bed is wide, the left bed is narrow. Wide and narrow. The school bag is above the table, the football is below the table. Above and below. Here we have a long line on the left and a short line on the right. Long and short. In this picture, the tree is far, but the frog is near. Far and near. The airplane is flying above, the scooter driver is going below. Above and below. The Scooty is going fast, but the snail is going slow. Fast and slow. The owl is behind the box, the owl is in between the box, the owl is in front of the box. Behind, between, in front of. The kids are inside their house, the bears are outside their house, inside and outside.
If you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like the video.
Thank you for watching. See you soon.